few quiet moments. Just listen. Listen to the night, the distant echoes, the strange laughter that breaks the silence of the wild. At first, it sounds unsettling, almost like something is wrong. But in the African wilderness, this sound means one thing: hyenas are near. This is the story of the hyena, the most misunderstood hunter of the wild. When people think of hyenas, they often think of scavengers, creatures that steal food, that wait for others to hunt, that survive on leftovers. But the truth is very different. Hyenas are not just scavengers. They are powerful, skilled, intelligent hunters. In fact, in many regions, hyenas hunt more than they scavenge. There are different species of hyenas, but the most well-known is the spotted hyena, found across sub-Saharan Africa. They live in grasslands, savannas, and even semi-desert regions. Their bodies are unique. A strong front, sloping back, powerful jaws, and a bite force that is among the strongest of any land animal. They can crush bones, digesting parts of prey that most animals cannot. Nothing goes to waste. This makes them extremely efficient survivors. But what truly sets hyenas apart is their social structure. Hyenas live in groups called clans. These clans can be large, sometimes up to 80 individuals. And unlike many animal societies, hyena clans are led by females. The female hyenas are larger, stronger, and dominant. At the top of the clan is the alpha female. She leads, she decides, and the rest follow. This matriarchal system is rare in the animal kingdom. Within the clan, there is a clear hierarchy. Each member knows its position. This structure helps maintain order, especially during feeding and hunting. Hyenas are highly intelligent. They communicate using a wide range of sounds: whoops, growls, and the famous laugh. But that laugh is not what it seems. It is not joy. It is a signal, a way of expressing excitement, stress, or submission. Each sound carries meaning. Each call, a message to the clan. Hyenas also use scent marking and body language to communicate. Their world is full of signals, understood only by them. When it comes to hunting, hyenas are strategists. They do not rely on stealth like leopards or brute strength like lions. They rely on endurance, teamwork, and intelligence. A hunt often begins with tracking. The clan identifies a target, often a zebra or a wildebeest. They begin to chase, not with sudden bursts, but with persistence. They run for long distances, wearing the prey down. Step by step, the prey loses energy, and the hyenas keep going. Their stamina is their weapon. Eventually, the prey weakens, and in that moment, the clan closes in. Working together, they bring it down. This is not chaos. This is coordination. Each member plays a role, and when the hunt is over, the clan feeds. Unlike many predators, hyenas eat quickly. Competition is intense. Each one tries to get its share, and thanks to their powerful jaws, they consume almost everything: bones, skin, muscle, leaving very little behind. This efficiency helps keep the ecosystem clean. Hyenas are nature's recyclers. But despite their strength, their life is not easy. They often compete with lions, one of the most powerful predators in Africa. Sometimes, hyenas steal food from lions. Other times, lions steal from hyenas. This constant rivalry creates tension. Battles can occur, and they can be dangerous. For both sides, a hyena's life is full of challenges. Finding food, defending territory, maintaining social position, all of this requires intelligence and resilience. A female hyena gives birth in a den, usually to 2 cubs. From the very beginning, life is competitive. The cubs may fight each other, even for dominance. Only the strongest rise to the top. The mother protects them, feeds them, and introduces them to the clan. As they grow, they learn the rules of their society, their rank, their role, their place. Female cubs often inherit their mother's status. Males must find their way. Eventually, some leave the clan to join others. A hyena can live around 20 years in the wild. In that time, it becomes a master of survival, not by being the fastest or the strongest, but by being smart, adaptable, resilient. But today, hyenas face threats, habitat loss, human conflict, misunderstanding. Because of their reputation, they are often feared and targeted. But the truth is, they are essential to the ecosystem. They clean the land. They control populations. They maintain balance. Without them, the system weakens. Hyenas are not villains. They are survivors. Intelligent, social, and incredibly efficient. So the next time you hear that eerie laugh in the distance, don't think of fear. Think of communication. Think of a complex society working together in the dark. A clan moving as one. Hunters, strategists, survivors. The most misunderstood creatures of the wild. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story.